Today's video is about introducing you to an NFT, how to make an NFT for free. So the reason why I decided to do this live is because camera issues and all types of things like that. But if people want to jump in, if you have questions, then I will answer them. But this video will teach you how to make an NFT for free, 100% gas free, no gimmicks, no clickbait, nothing like that. 100% gas free, no fees at all, whether or not you have money in your MetaMask wallet or whatever wallet you decide to choose. This video is going to teach you how to do that. So I'm going to try to not even make it long or anything like that or a tutorial. It's just, you see a lot of people out here trying to make NFTs and stuff like that, and they're showing you need gas fees and Polygon and all this other stuff. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to break down the steps of, to me, the way that the NFT world is going, it's going to be two separate waves of people. It's going to be the people who want to sell in a marketplace, and I don't believe those marketplaces are going to go forever. Thanks for not putting out clickbait videos. No, I do not put out clickbait videos. Thank you for watching. So, yeah, there's going to be the people who want to sell in a marketplace, and then there's going to be people who do direct to consumer. I'm a direct to consumer type of guy. So I'm going to create NFTs. I actually have 4 out right now. I'm going to create NFTs specifically for the people who subscribe to my content. So I can make NFTs and pay gas fees for people on the marketplace who want to purchase NFTs and who are just looking for art and who are just looking for the next big thing. I can do that, but I am going to choose not to do that. So my NFTs will all be direct to consumer. So let's go ahead, let's get into how to create an NFT for free. Completely free, it doesn't cost you anything. So here we are at the Mintable website, and I have my daughter, so I have my 9-year-old daughter here. She's eating apples, but I have my 9-year-old daughter here just to prove to you guys that even a child can do this, okay? Even a child can do this. The only thing that you need, and you can find all these other videos, unfortunately, in order to get into one of these places to mint your NFTs, so OpenSea, Mintable, Rarible, all the other marketplaces, in order to get there, you do have to have some type of wallet. I like MetaMask, so in this video, we are using a MetaMask wallet. If you wanna learn how to set up a MetaMask wallet, there's many videos out there. That's not what I'm here to show you. I'm here to show you how to make an NFT for free, and you're able to sell it. So we already have our MetaMask wallet, baby. Go ahead and click. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna come to Mintable. So as you see, mintable.com, you're gonna come to Mintable. Obviously, we're just gonna assume you set up your profile and you linked your MetaMask wallet. So the first thing you wanna do when you wanna set, or when you wanna mint or create an NFT, that's the first process, okay? Minting and creating are the exact same thing. The only difference is where the gas fees come into play are when you want to sell your NFT. And right now, everybody thinks you have to sell your NFT on a marketplace, and that's just not true. The other way that you can sell your NFT is through direct to consumer. Please don't leave it. Is direct to consumer. So me, I have a platform, 12,600 subscribers. I can sell, as I grow, I can continue to have a product and sell it directly to my consumers. In this case, an NFT. Also merch, also anything else. I do not have to put my stuff on a marketplace in order to sell it. So go ahead, go over to mint an NFT.
Mint an item or mint?
Yeah, mint an item, I'm sorry. And then we're gonna, right here, we're going to click create a new item. The NFT is already in my wallet. No, I don't have an NFT already in my wallet. Gonna click that. And then right here, you have minting new item. Which blockchain do you want to mint on? Ethereum or Immutable X. Okay, we don't want to, I don't have to do the Immutable X thing. They say, you know, you could do that without gas fees and stuff like that. I personally want to do gasless, no transaction needed. So I want to make an NFT that I can hold on to, that I can control its value, not another market. So right now, if you have an NFT minted and sold on OpenSea, it might have more value than Mintable or Rarible. It just really depends on how the market is going right now. Those markets are really what's determining your value versus you creating something on your own and you controlling its value. So today I'm just going to show you guys how to do it. We're going to go ahead and click gas list, and then we're going to hit proceed to mint. Okay, so again, my 9-year-old is doing this. Anybody can do this, okay? So what category do you want to make this practice NFT in? Art, great, click art. Okay, now you're gonna have to select a subcategory. Again, we're just doing this just for tests, so hit subcategory, and then pick your type of art that you like to do. Paintings, awesome. So what would you like to title this? Obviously it's a test, it's not, it's just a test. But the reason why I'm showing this to my daughter is because she's a painter, and we're going to create a real full collection of art of all the NFTs of an art collection NFT, or an NFT collection for her art that she's going to sell directly to consumer. So, but this is just to start out. So what would you like to title this? It's almost like a fake.
Wait.
Yeah.
Scattered?
No, we're not doing, those are yours. Yeah, this is like a test one. Just make up a word, make up a name. Little loin.
Wait.
Are you trying to spell lion?
Yeah, no, I forgot.
Baby, you can't do your little lion.
No, I'm doing a little line go to sleep.
That might be real. Here, let's come to here. Let's do test.
Test for NFTs.
Test for NFTs. Perfect. Test for NFTs. Great. Okay. Listing subtitle. What do you want your listing subtitle?
Vote.
No, not vote. I don't even know what that means. I don't know why there's an NFTs. That's fine. FT test. Perfect. Okay, great. So now from here, we're just going to select a file. And again, this can be, as you see, it can be image, videos, GIFs, anything that you have. Right now, I'm going to, hit add files. And let me look through the pictures that I have. So we're going to go through documents. I'm actually on my PC right now. So we're going to just select documents. Let me see if I have any documents. Saved pictures. Oh, okay, there's nothing in there. Oh, I don't have any saved pictures. Let me see what pictures I have. Let's see. Straight out of content. I have a lot of straight out of content pictures. Okay, great. We'll just use a regular straight out of content picture for the sake of this argument. I do have straight out of content NFTs, but we'll just use a straight out of content picture just for this argument. So great. So straight out of content. We'll use that. That's my YouTube. This will not be, I do have a collection, but this will not be in the collection. I will end up deleting this later. But go ahead. So now we have our NFT up. Go ahead and scroll down. Okay. So now in this section right here, and attach a private file or unlockable content. And the 4 NFTs that I have, I think 3 of them do have unlockable content. Again, you can attach like a letter, you can attach like any type of file, a video. One of my NFTs that I have has a personal video thanking the person who's gonna buy it or who does buy it. On top of that, in here, you can put like, if you own this NFT, if I'm at the mall doing a book signing, this counts as a ticket to that book signing. You don't have to purchase an additional ticket, so on and so forth. Okay, so we're gonna put a little description.
I know what description.
Okay, what type of description would you like to put?
NFT test for YouTube.
Okay, great, perfect. This is the description. NFT test for YouTube. YouTube, boom, great. Okay, and also right underneath that, transfer copyright when purchased. This is up to you. This is really up to the consumer. This is really up to the designer of the NFT, or whether or not you want to transfer copyright to the person who purchases your NFT. I would suggest doing that, because even though there's still a digital contract, if you don't transfer copyright to them, then technically you can still argue that you own it, even though you sold it to somebody. So I just personally, if I'm gonna sell you something, then it's yours. You should own the copyrights to that. Obviously, you're not owning the copyrights to share the content logo. You're just owning the copyrights to that individual picture. So go ahead, hit transfer copyright right there. Click that little check button. Check button. Check right there.
Right
Yeah,
here.
right there. Click it. Okay, now scroll down. Okay, so this right here is where we have 3 options to set our price. Fixed, auction, or auction with buy now. Now, I have a little bit of experience, and I learned because I'm not going to be on a marketplace, there's really no reason for me to choose auction or even auction with buy now, because I'm not going to put it on a marketplace. If you want to have your NFT on a marketplace, you're going to have to pay. That's where the gas fees come in, and it can be pretty expensive. Like those fees can really add up. In doing it this way, you can then bring your NFT to really anywhere. You can put the link on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, anywhere, YouTube. You can put it anywhere you want. And if you already have a following, then you're selling directly to your consumer versus, like I said earlier, somebody who's just on OpenSea, just who has a bunch of money, just looking for the next big thing. So in this situation, I'm going to choose fixed price. Now, I like to choose in US dollars so that this way we know how much I'm charging for it, even though it's always going to change. So if Ethereum goes up, if I put, let's say $100, so put 100. 100. So $100 for this NFT. Again, guys, don't purchase this NFT. I have a real collection, and I will show you. There'll be a link to the full collection down below. There is a link to the full collection in the description down below. But so right now, $100, which is about 0.0267 Ethereum. Now, I'm gonna mint this, it's gonna be $100. But if Ethereum goes down, it's gonna be like 98, 96. It's gonna go down with Ethereum. But if Ethereum goes up, the value of it is gonna go up. But that still is different. So somebody might end up getting it for $98. Somebody might end up getting it for $108. That's just because, unfortunately, you're subject to the price of Ethereum as it goes up and down. It's just the way that it works. Outside of that, there's really nothing else that we need to do. 100 US bucks, price in Ethereum, current. Okay, so Ethereum is 3,750 bucks. So we're all done. Do you have anything else that you want to do?
Mike?
No, I'm just asking, do you have anything else? No? Okay, so this, scroll down. So also this right here, item scanned, it's gonna do that. There's other people out on the website. All my NFTs that I have are created by me. They're vector filed by me in my collection. This right here is just a test. So if you have a picture that's similar to something on the internet, it's gonna show it, but this is just, again, just for the sake of argument, just how to make it for free. So go ahead, list the item. Okay, transaction, proceed. And right here, you're not gonna pay anything. You just have to sign the contract with your MetaMask wallet. That's all you're doing. You're just signing the contract with your MetaMask wallet so that you have the permissions to sell it to somebody else. That's it. Hit sign. That's it. Now, obviously, that's an ugly picture. It's blurry, but we just did that for the sake of argument that right now you just created an NFT for completely free that you can sell to anybody that you want. All they need is the link, in which I will show you how to share that link to sell it. So we're going over here to view your item. It is not in the marketplace. If you want to sell your item, that's the marketplace on Mintable. That's going to charge you the gas fees. That's when it's going to be, that's when it's going to cost. So right now I can buy it now, or I can buy even with a credit card. That's why I like Mintable, because I don't know if you can do that with OpenSea, but maybe you can. I assume you can. They're pretty big. But right now somebody can buy it. All I have to do is hit the share button. And I can copy the link, I can email, I can share it right now to Twitter and Facebook. Right now I can share it. And all the friends that I have on Facebook, all the friends that I have on Twitter or Instagram or YouTube, everybody can now see it. People who are watching this video right now can see that now this NFT is for sale. Again, I'm gonna delete this. Do not spend $100 on this. See, it already went up. I guess Ethereum went up, so it's already at $100.48. So you can boost this item, and whenever you want to boost it, that's when the prices come in, because you're gonna have to pay to boost it and stuff like that. But why do that? So we'll just go over here to home, and I'll show you guys my collection of NFTs. So this right here is my full collection so that you guys can see. Don't count this right here. This right here and this right here. These are my full collection of NFTs. These are my real ones. See, everything is available. Everything is checked. This is called the drift. So these are the real NFTs that I have for sale right now. And again, I can sell each one individually to consumer. The only thing, the only con that I would say, Laura? The only con that I would say when talking about NFTs and doing it this way is you can only do one by one by one by one. When you're going to sell an NFT on a marketplace after you mint it, that's when you can do 10,000 or 2,000 or 40 or 48,000. So that's the only difference. You can either mint an NFT for free and then sell it directly to consumer, or you can mint an NFT, put it on a marketplace, and then you can scale the amount that you want available for people to buy. So that from there, you can sell it to other people, but that costs money. So you can do 10,000, you can do 5,000. That really isn't where it's gonna cost you money. It's gonna cost you money in gas fees. And if you have a collection of say 8 or 10 NFTs, you're just gonna spend about $80 to $100 per image. So that's gonna be like $1,000 if for like 10 items, give or take. Right now with the gas fees, you're gonna end up spending like $1,000 for a full collection of NFTs. And in doing that, that can be very expensive. Who just has $1,000? Who has a platform right now to spend $1,000 to have a collection of NFTs? I know a lot of people want to get into the NFT space. And to me, this right here is the best bang for your buck. I hope that this video has helped you a lot. Again, it's just want to make a quick video. I know it's long, but this is how you create an NFT for free and then directly sell to consumer. I can log into my phone right now. You guys can see it. The link is in the description below. I can put it on my Twitter, which it is on my Twitter. I can put it on my Instagram, I can put it anywhere I want, and I can just continue to push it, push it, push it. I can create a little commercial and put it at the end of all my videos. Hey, don't forget, I have 4 NFTs available for sale on Mintable.com. You guys can go, click the link in the description below, and you could buy. I can put it all in all my old videos. So anybody that's watching a video that has nothing to do with NFTs, I can still put this link in there and have a potential buyer. The reason why I'm choosing to do it direct to consumer is because as I grow as a brand, I don't want anybody purchasing my art or anything related to my brand who doesn't know me. So if I put it on OpenSea, somebody might just buy it because they think straight to the content is cool, but they don't have any idea who I am. I want to give the people who follow me, the people who subscribe, the people who watch my videos, I want to give those people the opportunity to buy something of mine. Same thing with like my clothing and stuff like that. So it's just an extension of that, just a digital extension of that. So that's going to end this video, guys. I truly appreciate it. Hopefully you guys learned something. I'm going to be doing a lot more NFT content. And in fact, I'm going to be doing my daughter's collection one by one by one. So it'll be a collection of 10 different pictures, but there will only be one of them. So they will have a certain scale of price. If somebody purchases them, they do. If they don't, they don't. But I do not want to put her art on a marketplace yet. Maybe once she gets to a certain level, we can do that. But I like the exclusivity of being able to make an NFT at 0 cost and then sell it directly to consumer. So you guys know my slogan, I'm hungry, but I'm not going to eat yet. I'm going to go create some more videos. So hopefully you guys like this, and definitely smash that subscribe button. Go ahead, jump on over, hit the link in the description for my NFTs, and let me know what you guys like. And stay tuned for more NFT videos as I really start to explain and kind of simplify how NFTs work. All right, guys, basic.